Hey Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're showing you guys how to clean leather. So if you guys take a look up close, this Tesla vegan white leather is super dirty, it's grimy, it has all kinds of embedded body oils. So today we're going to show you guys how to deep clean it, restore it, and protect it, and make it look as good as new. Alright guys, so the main product that we're going to be using today is our leather cleaner. Now leather cleaner is great because it does an incredible job at breaking down the embedded dirt, grime, and body oils that accumulate on your leather. Now we're going to be pairing it with a brush today. First thing that I'm going to do right now is I'm going to mask off this leather, and we're going to go ahead and tape it off 50-50, and then I'm going to start off by cleaning the first side with just the microfiber towel and the leather cleaner. And obviously that's going to get rid of the dirt, the heavy dirt that you can actually see and that's visible. Now the dirt that you don't really see is going to come off is the stuff that's caught within the texture of the leather, because if you guys think about it, leather, it's skin, and this Tesla vegan leather is no different. It's actually textured just like genuine leather. So right now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and set this all up. We'll show you guys the differences between scrubbing it with the brush and then bare leather without us cleaning it at all. Now, typically for leather, when it comes to microfiber towels, we dedicate our tan towels for cleaning leather. But in this case, I'm gonna use a white, clean microfiber towel. And now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the residue of the leather cleaner and all the dirt that we've scrubbed out of the leather with our horsehair brush with this beautiful white microfiber towel, which pains me to wipe it because it's a beautiful towel. And the last thing I wanna do is get it dirty, but that's what towels are for. And to show you guys just how dirty this leather actually is. So if you guys take a look up close, you'll see all the dirt and grime that it collected from just doing this little section of the leather. So you can see all this little heavy debris. It also has this nice kind of browning going on versus the beautiful bright white that it should be. And you guys can see just the dirt and grime that's really in the leather that we can't really see with the naked eye. So you only really see that stuff whenever you deep clean it with leather cleaner and a horsehair brush. So now that we've thoroughly cleaned the leather, now it's time to protect it. Now to protect it, we're gonna be using our HydroLeather, which is a ceramic leather protective coating and a quick detailer into one. So what that means is basically that you can use this product to ceramic coat your leather, and you can also use this product to maintain the ceramic coating on your leather, kind of a two-in-one. So basically, to coat, you would use a microfiber applicator like this, and it's very easy. All you have to do is simply spray it. Now, you wanna make sure that this is open, and then spray about 3 to 4 sprays onto a microfiber applicator. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what I'm gonna do is set my bottle down. And then the application is actually very easy. I know you hear ceramic and you think, oh, you know, there's this super fancy way of applying it. No fancy way. Just simply apply it left, right, up, and down. There's really not much you can do just because, you know, the leather, it's not like a panel on your vehicle that's all curved and has sharp angles or anything like that. It's just basically smooth and round. So just simply apply a coat, and it's a very small section. So it's not like you have to worry about, you know, coating an entire surface that's super large and then you don't have enough time to wipe it off. This product is actually very easy to use. All you have to do is simply apply an even coat, and then you want to let it sit for anywhere from about 10, 15 to 30 seconds, depending on the climate. And then now that we're basically all done applying it, now I'm going to grab a microfiber towel. Now today we're using our tan microfiber towels, which are dedicated for leather. And then we're simply just going to go ahead and wipe off the residue of the product. Now this is just to ensure that there is no leftover ceramic left on your leather. And whatever ceramic has penetrated your leather already, now it's on the curing process. So it's just gonna dry up, and it's gonna leave behind that super durable layer of UV protection, which is ultimately what you're looking for when it comes to ceramic leather products, just because, you know, you're not really looking for something that's gonna bead water on your leather, because most of the time you're not really gonna get water on your leather. So really this is all about UV protection. And as you guys know, it's gonna dry up and it's gonna start cracking and fading, and it's not gonna look good in a couple of weeks. For this particular vegan leather, we've decided to just stick with HydroLeather just because it's gonna provide us the best in terms of UV protection because of the ceramic SiO2 within it. So that's basically it. Now you've successfully deep cleaned and condition and protected your leather with the power of ceramic with HydroLeather, and of course our cleaner, which was leather cleaner paired with the horsehair brush, did an incredible job at really just breaking down all the embedded dirt, grime, and body oils on this leather. And then we followed it up with HydroLeather, which as you guys just saw right now, was to condition and protect the leather with the power of ceramic. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you guys want to see any of our new videos, make sure to check out our channel. And of course, if you guys want to pick up any of the products shown on today's video, they're all going to be linked in the description and in the pinned comment down below. And that's going to wrap it up, guys. My name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.